All right, guys, Travis with Houston Speed Freaks here. I am showcasing our newest product, which is our Houston Speed Freaks rear sway bars for the Explorers. Now, these will fit Platinums, they will fit the Timberlines, all of them, ST line, you name it, these will fit it. I've yet to test these out on an Aviator. I know the Aviator has slightly different suspension, but I believe that these will fit, but I have not confirmed yet, so y'all hold tight, we will confirm. And these are all of but two colors that we're going to offer. We're still waiting on magnetic gray and nitrous blue from powder coating, but you can see here, this is our beautiful raw bar. It is all mandrel bent, and you can see how lightweight it is compared to AFE or Steedas, because I know that question's coming. I've gotten tons of it when I released this product on Facebook, Instagram. Everyone's like, well, what's the difference between that and AFE? There's several big, well, three big key factors, right, that are gonna set us apart. One, color options, right? We're not just giving you a blue sway bar or a red sway bar. Pick your poison or powder coat it yourself. I don't like that. I like to give you all color options because I know just like every car isn't the same, not every owner is the same. You might have a specific color you want to do, which is, again, I will offer these up in raw like we do with our strut bar. So if you have a custom color in mind, you can go and get it colored whatever color you want. But we are offering them in wrinkle black, wrinkle red, a illusion purple, which is our infamous illusion purple. It is a beautiful dark purple. I love that purple, honestly. Star white to match the white Explorers. And then, like I said, magnetic gray and nitrous blue. Another big thing, and this is something I'm very proud about, is AFE and Steeda. Again, I'm trying not to be directly a comparison, but it's hard when you make a bar like this. So the biggest difference between our bar and AFEs or Steedas is Steedas and AFE come in weighing about 14 to 15 pounds. Our rear sway bars weigh 7.5 pounds, guys. We're able to effectively take 50% of the weight out of the rear sway bars. So you might be asking, how did we take 50% of the weight out? Well, AFE and Steeda use a solid sway bar. Ours are hollow, and there's several key factors of why we went hollow. And you might be like, well, a solid's better, right? Because most of the time it is. But for a sway bar instance, a lighter sway bar is going to react quicker, it's going to rebound quicker, and it's taking unsprung weight off. And you might be like, okay, well, it's not as stiff. Again, wrong. All the stiffness from a sway bar is coming from mostly the outer diameter of the bar, meaning you're measuring the circumference, and that's kind of like where it comes from in general. The middle part of the bar really doesn't do much. And again, another thing that's going to set us apart is, I don't know their warranties, I've not looked this up, but we are doing a lifetime warranty on the bar itself. Not on the coatings, guys, because I know environments are different. You might scratch it, chip it, whatever when installing it. Probably won't, because our powder coating is pretty durable. But if you do, whatever, get with me, I'll take care of you. But again, lifetime warranty, meaning the bar's not going to snap on you, it's not going to bend, it's not going to fail. And if it does, we got you covered, right? We've had this bar on here for 6 months. We abused the piss out of it at the oval track, on the street. I put it through its paces. And the third thing, the most important thing besides the weight and the colors, is I want ease of use, right? So we're using all energy suspension bushings, quality bushings from the top up. And then we use brackets, right? Our sway bar brackets come standard with, you see it, right? The Zerks fitting. And these Zerks fitting are great for when you have to re-grease your sway bar. So you don't have to take off the sway bar. You can just put your grease gun right here and it'll go into this little hole. If you come close, I can show you this little hole right here on the top. Good, come on, you can come a little closer. And that'll put your grease right into the bushing. So when you order our kit, it's gonna come with the sway bar in the color of your choice that we offer. Red, black, gray, blue, purple, white. It's a plethora. We got the freaking rainbow over here, you know, like Skittles, taste the rainbow. And don't sue me, Skittles, it was just a joke. And we got energy suspension, grease packets to go along with them. Make sure you thoroughly apply. And when I install these, what I like to do is put that grease on the inside of here, and you'll see there's channels on the inside of that bushing. And those channels catch the grease. And what I do is I'll put it on the bar and I'll twist it back and forth, do all circles with it to make sure the grease is spread evenly. But yeah, guys, this is showcasing our bars a little bit better. I realized I kind of slapped up a post, didn't really like try to persuade or talk to anybody about them. But I thoroughly believe this is the best bar on the market. I'm not just saying that because I make it, because we put a lot of time, energy, and effort into these. And again, we were able to successfully cut half the weight of the competition from unsprung weight. And so when you're making your build and you think every pound counts, reach out to us. We got the bar for you. Again, HoustonSpeedFreaks.com. You can grab yours. Now, I also want to go over this. There's 3 different adjustment points. The closer you get to the bar, the stiffer this gets. And so you might be like, oh, you're not beating the stiffness of the other competition. This is not true. This first hole right here, 120% over factory. Our second hole, 140, and our third hole is 160% over factory for stiffness. Meaning, overall, our bars are going to react quicker. You're going to get less understeer and less body roll, which is what we're trying to do. We want this thing to stay flat. We want it to stay nice and nimble. I'm trying to make this big girl not feel like such a big girl in a 3-row SUV. When I drive it, I forget that I'm in an Explorer half the time, and that's one of the things I love so much about this platform is where you can take it and how far you can go with it. It's truly a fun family grocery getter, and these bars are truly next level and will take your Explorer to that next level. So guys, again, if you want one, HoustonSpeedFreaks.com. Love y'all, appreciate y'all truly. Y'all make me want to develop more and more parts for the platform because I enjoy them so much and making them and learning how to do this and just growing it all together. So this is honestly, thank you guys. Love you guys, appreciate y'all. Until the next one.